Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with another video. In this video we're gonna make this Joe Stone and Deepend Style drop. So the final result will sound like this. So now let's dive into presets. So all the presets are coming from Hack Sounds Frame 1. So if you want a preset pack to make hexagon style of music, make sure to check it down below. So all the presets together sound like this. First gonna bass, then the chords, and then we're gonna make beats. So now let's dive into the bass line, stacking the presets. Go for the scrolly 2 wavetable, lower down 1 octave, and shape envelope 2 like this. Then we're gonna route it to the wavetable. Just gonna hear this will really give that more dirty effect to it. Then we're gonna shape oscillator B. We're gonna go for the BS2 filthy wavetable, sounding like this. Lower down the level a little bit, wavetable all the way up, and select FM from A. So now we're gonna filter the sound, cut off quite low with envelope 2 to it, and we're gonna add some drive and fatness. Just gonna hear this already shapes the sound a bit more. So then head over to the effects. We're gonna use a little bit of hyper, some dimension. We're gonna use some hard clip. So this will make it sound more dirtier. There's a chorus, just a small percentage. There's some OTT with envelope 2 to the gain. This will make it sound really punchy. It's a little bit too much, so now it's time to add a filter. We're gonna go for a low 18 with envelope 2 to the cutoff. With a drive quite high. And then to finish off, gonna give the sound some more reverb. With a low cut, low decay, low size. And lower down the master volume. And that's it for bassline. So now let's make the chords. Sounding like this. Stacking the presets. Oscillator A is a saw wave, B is a square wave. So I'll go for basic shapes. Put up 1 octave and 7 semitones. Let's add some more harmonics to the sound. We're only gonna use it for FM modulation, so select FM from B. And then we're gonna route level 1 to the FM. Set the trigger and select the rate to 118. Bit too much, so just one here. We're gonna add it to the level as well. Then we're gonna shape the filter, low 24. With envelope 2 to it. Some drive, fatness. Then we're gonna dive into the effects, some hyper, and some dimension. Then we're gonna add a diode too. Only a small amount. With envelope 1 to the drive. You can hear this add some more brightness to the highs of the sound. There's some chorus with a high pass filter. Some EQing to open up the highs more. And then some reverb and delay to finish it off. Just something like this. And that's it for chords. So the bass line sounds like this. So the only thing we're missing is the lead. Let's just make that from scratch now. Second the preset. Go for basic shapes. Select the high pulse. Level quite low. I said it's gonna be a saw wave. With a low level as well. But with some detune. Shape envelope 2 like this. With no sustain. Some decay. And add it to the detune. Now I'm gonna shade the sound with a filter. Low 18. Cutoff quite low, and envelope 2 to the cutoff. Some drive. And some mono legato. I'm gonna add some attack to this sound as well. And we're gonna add a sub oscillator with another square wave. We're gonna route that to the filter as well. So get the sound some more body. So then we're gonna add some OTT. Some more filtering. With low 18. We're gonna add a little bit of drive. That's a hyperdimension. We're gonna add 2 to the mix of the hyper. And some dimensions and open up. Then we're gonna add some diode 2. With envelope 2 to the drive. Just like we did with the chords. We're gonna route to the mix as well. This time. And then some EQing, reverb and delay. Just shape it like this. Gives a low cut to make room for the chords and the bass line. And we're gonna boost the highs a little bit. So altogether, this sound like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like, see more and the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.